Welcome guys to my channel. This video I'm going to be showing you how you can print out your drawing. For example, if you want to print out this drawing over here, so let's go on. You need to go in the layout there, in the layout like that. So this is my layout. After you go on the layout, you can go there where it says plot. Click on plot, continue a single sheet like that. Then you're going to have this. So here you have to set from DWG to PDF. Click there. Then you have to set your paper size. For example, there, if you want an A4, an A3, so I'll go for an A4. This one, like that. Then you can go there. The layout extent, you can go and extend like that. Then fit to paper like that. Then after that, you can go on OK like that. You can just save it like that and go there and save. Then it has started plotting your job progress, and it's going to print out your drawing on a PDF. Yeah, like that. So there it's on PDF. You can also print it in black and white. Let me show you how we do it in black and white. So let's just go back like that, then click on plot again, continue with a single sheet like that. Then you set your dimensions to DWG to PDF, layout, extent, fit to paper, the type of paper that we are using, A4 like that. Okay, then you have to go there on plot style and choose monochrome like that. Then just place on OK, save like that. Do you want to overwrite it? Yes. Then you have saved, you have plotted your job. This is how we print it. We print out in black and white. There you go. This is in black and white. Thank you very much guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.